everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1961 Chevrolet Biscayne. Wicked cool car, guys. Finished in sage green metallic paint. It's got a two-tone green and tan leather interior in it, and just a gorgeous car. Car's been done for about 5-6 years, they said. Built it to drive it. They said they wouldn't be afraid to get in this thing and jump in it and cruise it anywhere. Love the color combination. He's okay there, Nathan. He's probably okay. 18 and 20 inch billet wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got air. It has some kind of thumping sound system in it, guys. I don't know how to operate it, but Nathan does. It's got keyless or like remote door locks and trunk entry. Really cool car. We've got a, we're gonna have to get a new light for it. One of those got crashed. Really cool color. Tinted glass. Of course, it's got that iconic 61 roof line. Chrome and stainless is nice. Little touch-up marks there. It's got all custom suspension on it. It's got Global West in the front and I think Umi Performance in the rear. Big front and rear sway bars, so the car really handles nice. 20s in the rear, 18s in the front. It's got the slotted and drilled rotors. It's got a custom dual exhaust system with electric cutouts or push button remote control cutouts. Like I said, ZR rated rubber all the way around it. .350 small block, nothing crazy. You can see they got the serpentine pulley system in it. Power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, does have air, air blows cold, aluminum radiator with electric fans. It's got the GM high performance exhaust manifolds. You can see the Global West tubular upper and lower control arms. It is a 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. Fun car. Got a great look to it. Chrome mirror. Door seams are nice and clean. Love the interior. Custom center console, which I love. I'm a coffee drinker while I'm driving these things, and I like having that center console. Really nice interior. It's plush, very comfortable. Sports steering wheel. It's got the Dakota gauge cluster in it. Again, complete custom sound system. There's a plug-in for the Bluetooth. I love that center console they got mounted in there. Again, complete custom dual exhaust system. It's a stock rear axle, and then like you say, they have some Umi Performance rear suspension stuff. I don't know if we'll open all this up. This all opens up, and it's all custom. That opens up for the radio, I think, with a push button. I've got a photo of it, and but it's all done on a remote, which is pretty cool. Clean underneath. Over the top. Like I said, they built this thing to drive it. My buddy Schott, the one who got it for me, he said that I think they drove this into one of the big shows we were at. That's the first one we've seen, and they drove it multiple states to get to the show. Really nice interior. Nice and smooth. Hit the, it's got some custom, what do you call it here? Hit your, open your, there they go. Gauges are functional. It's showing. It's okay. So when he put this new dash in, he put it back to the original miles. 69,000 is the original miles. They say there's almost like 4,000 miles on the restoration. See how your gauges are functional. Oil pressure's good. There's a little mini tack in there too that works. Like I said, it's got a little remote that operates kind of everything. It's actually got two of them. Again, complete custom sound system in it. Blower motor does work. Wipers are functional. Yep. Get the wipers to shut off. There we go. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. That is a pretty car right there. Love the color. Real good look at that color. Looks good.